Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Honey and signing in so the extension can find deals immediately. Click Add to Chrome, then pin Honey to your toolbar for easy reach. Once done, create or sign into your Honey account so your coupons, rewards, and price history sync across devices. Make sure to verify your email if asked. This enables full features and alerts. After that, navigate to a shopping site so Honey can detect available coupons and start working in the background. You shop like usual and add items to your cart. Honey waits until checkout to save time. When you reach checkout, open the Honey pop-up and click Apply Coupons so it tests codes automatically. Once it finishes, review the savings displayed as percent or dollar amounts and choose the best result. Also check any drop list or price history suggestions Honey shows. These explain why a price may rise or fall. Make sure to select the final coupon before completing payment. Finish by claiming Honey Gold or cash rewards and confirm your payment was processed with the selected coupon. You can tweak settings, auto-apply coupons, notifications, and preferred stores, so Honey behaves the way you want. If a coupon fails, try one key troubleshooting step. Clear your browser cache and disable other coupon extensions that may conflict, then retry Apply Coupons. If issues persist, sign out and sign back in. This often refreshes your account and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.